Hey guys, this video is just going to be a quick video on solutions for storing your power tools. One idea that you can try, which is what I did, was using slatwall, as you can see here, to store my tools. So pretty much everything is mostly Milwaukee, but everything is stored up on the slatwall, and then on top of the shelf you can see some other tools put up here. So the shelves, little trick down here was, as you can see, this little shelf right there has the OSB board cut out, so you can actually put your tools or mount them, and the blade will just kind of go right in between. And pretty easy way to store your circular saws and stuff like that. This is a cheap slat wall that you can find. I found it at some store fixture displays. About $50 for 4 by 8 foot slab. And then one other thing that I also did was used a little bit of hidden storage. As you can see here, it looks just like a worktop, workbench, but it's actually a hidden storage in between the 2x4s, which allows you to store a lot more tools in there. You can see it here as well. So the way I did this is using sauce hinges, as you can see in here. They go in between, and they don't leave any kind of mark on the top, so you can't really see them. So right there, you can't even see that it would open up. Obviously, if you get close, you could, but pretty neat trick to get storage where was just wasted space before. Just also using these lift assist. They actually help lifting up this top, which is a pretty heavy top, and it helps keep it up. So there's one idea for you guys to use for your power tool storage. Hope you liked the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and also hit that notification button so you can see more ideas on a lot of DIY. Thanks for watching.